Hi, it's Marianne. I'm on my way to the beach. I'm taking a different route because I had a little business to take care of downtown. So I ventured out down the street thinking that it would hook up to the river trail. Where I am is in the nature reserve, so it's kind of cool. It took me a couple tries to find the entrance, but I made it down here. Hopefully I don't run into anything. I don't want to run into any coyotes, but I don't really see any animals yet out here. Maybe I have to go further into the trail, but anyway, I'm going to try to find my way to the river. So check it out. It's kind of pretty. It's quiet. Hear the birds. It's a little dirt road. See if I can ride my bike on it. I got enough tread. I think it'll be okay. Check it out. A lot of botanical scenery. I'm already at a fork in the road. I guess I'll go left. Go west, young girl. The beach is west, so check it out. Oh my God.
Oh.
Hi. Oh. Okay. It wasn't a wild animal, just a man in the bushes. Sorry, he just startled me. So here we go. Probably should use the buddy system down here. But you know me, I can be a little reckless at times. Always curious. Let's see. I can hear the birds. I don't see any. Oh, here we got a straight path. There's another guy I already met. He told me he was lost, so looks like he's going the same way as I am. I think we'll make it. I don't think it's too far away. Oh, it's kind of cool. I see the same thing day in and day out every day on my ride. It's nice to just take a little different route and see where it leads. My dad was that way. We do it in the spirit of Father's Day. He used to, on the road when we'd go somewhere, we had to stop and see a sign for something to see, and we'd have to stop and go see it. So, but that was cool. Saw a lot of ghost towns and caves. It's always fun. Life is too short to pass up an opportunity to see something new. A little bumpy. It's a little bit uphill too. Doing it with one hand is the trouble too, because it's a little bumpy. I gotta hold the camera with the other hand. Sun's coming out at least. It wasn't out when I left. It's kind of nice to have something out here like this in the city with so much development going on. When I was growing up, all we had were tomato fields and a lot of open space, and now it's just all homes and shopping centers. Starbucks on every corner. I'll have to come out here and take a hike someday. I think it would be a lot easier on foot. I think we're coming to the top of something. It may be the river. Let's see. Got a lot of dry bush out here. Okay. Decision. I think we'll go this way. This one looks like the road less traveled. It's pretty thin. Should we go this way? Maybe not. Maybe it's a little too thin. I don't think I want to go on that less traveled one. Probably run into a snake or something. see where this goes. I see some bike tracks. This must be the way. Follow the bike tracks. Okay. Let's see. That's the river there. How do we get in? Ah, there's a hole in the fence. Let's check this out. I think we can get through that way. Ah, yeah. Alas, we've arrived. It's sand. Okay. If I can get my bike up this thing without falling on my rear end. Classic Marianne move. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Pretty steep trying to get this bike up. Okay, well, you know what? Well, I think I'm going to have to turn the camera off because this is a little difficult with one hand, so... Enjoy your day.